10L Portable Folding Washing Machine with Time Spin Dry Function. Ideal for cleaning socks, underwear and intimate garments. Make laundry simple wherever you are with the 10L Portable Folding Washing Machine with Time Spin Dry Function. The perfect solution for quick, hygienic washing of small garments. Designed for socks, underwear, baby clothes, and delicate intimate wear, this compact washer is ideal for travel, dorms, apartments, camping, and small homes. Its smart folding design lets you collapse it flat for easy storage in a suitcase, drawer, or cupboard.